Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix Ghost Touch problem on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, the problem with Ghost Touch usually revolves around your screen protector. If you have recently installed a new one, you can try to just remove it and see if everything will be okay now. It's especially known in case of some low-quality screen protectors. However, if that's not the case, there is one setting that we can enable, or actually disable, to make sure that Ghost Touch is not existent. Let's head into settings, let's scroll down into display, and in here you want to scroll almost all the way down, and you will notice we have now touch sensitivity, which, as you can see, will increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So all you want to do is just disable this, and now increased sensitivity is gone, and you should have resolved the Ghost Touch problem. However, if it still persists, you can always go into your software update inside settings and make sure that you have newest update available, because who knows, maybe they have released some sort of new patch that fixes display and touch bugs. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.